First off, why is updating your iPhone so important? Updates from Apple come with loads of benefits. New features, improved security, and sometimes a whole new look for your interface. It's all about making your iPhone experience smoother and safer. Before we jump into the updating process, there are a couple of things you need to do. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, and it's a good idea to plug it into a charger so you don't run out of battery midway through the update. To check if your iPhone needs an update, open Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, you'll see it listed here. Now, before you hit that update button, let's talk about backing up your iPhone. This is a step you shouldn't skip. You can use iCloud or your computer to create a backup. This way, you won't lose your precious data if something goes wrong during the update process. Ready to update? If the update is available, you'll see the option to download and install. Tap it, enter your passcode if prompted, and the update process will begin. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this might take a while, so patience is key. If you run into any issues during the update, like not having enough storage, the video will guide you through some troubleshooting steps, like managing your storage or trying to update through iTunes on your computer. Once the update is installed, your iPhone will restart, and you'll be greeted with the latest version of iOS. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your iPhone. Enjoy exploring all the new features and improvements. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on updating your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay connected and stay updated.